Teach an old dog new tricks.com. More than 40 hours of free computer training. Sit, stay, and learn. Thank you. Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial on Google. Well, we all use Google on a regular basis, or the vast majority of us do. It's become quite a part of our lives when we're using the computer. And it occurred to me that because this is such a big part of our life, we should really probably get really good at using Google. So I'm going to take you through a series of tutorials that will help you hopefully do that. To start with, to get to Google, you go to www.google.com and we come to their very simple search engine page. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a search for a person by the name of John Smith. John Smith is a rather common name. And also, John Smith is an explorer here in the United States. He discovered a colony called Jamestown. So we're going to start by doing a simple search for John Smith, and I want to show you what the results return. As I start typing, Google is trying to anticipate what it is I'm looking for. And what I want you to observe is that we have some options here, but I'm going to hit Enter to lock in John Smith. And you'll notice my first returned result is John Smith Explorer, and it refers to a website called Wikipedia. Also, I want to draw your attention up a little bit further to right here, where it shows us that there's 74 million results that were returned in a very short amount of time. Now, if you ever had to go to the library and search for all that information, it would take you forever to find it, a lifetime. So the situation here is we've got 74 million results for John Smith. But what if we want to get more specific? Because when we just search for John Smith, imagine for a moment if there's some type of document on the web that has a document that has the person in it by the name of Frank Jones and Jim Smith and maybe John Harris. Frank Jones I just sort of threw in there, but because it found the name John and the name Smith in it, it's going to return those results. Now, they might be way down the list, but they were returned, and that's why we have so many. So in the next tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to look at simplifying this research or search by making it very specific. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.